Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel JS Lab. So in the last few videos we discussed about Python list with many examples. In this video we will see what is a tuple in Python. So a tuple is a collection of objects which is ordered and immutable. It is similar to list, but list is ordered but you can change that one. It is mutable, but tuple, it is ordered but it is immutable. That's a small difference. So in this video we will see how to create a tuple, how to access the values in a tuple, some basic operations in tuple, how to do indexing, slicing tuple, etc. So first of all, how to create a tuple. So I'm going to create a tuple t1. T1 is equal to, you can create a tuple using a round bracket. Inside that I am going to put 1 2 3 4 5. So I will print t1. So it's a tuple. If you type of t1, you will get the type is tuple. You can also create a tuple using the tuple function. For that, I'll take t2 equal to tuple tuple, one bracket, again one bracket. Okay. Then the same thing. I'll do 1 2 3 4. Okay, created. You put type of t2. You can see that's also a tuple. So this is how a tuple is created. You can create tuple of strings, integers, and you can mix that one also, like list. It is exactly similar to list, but you cannot change that one. That is only a difference. So we'll create t3 equal to list. So in here we created a strings and a numbers. So print t3. So you can create tuple of strings, integers. You can mix that one. Okay, strings, integers, boolean, etc. Now we will see whether one value, one element is present in tuple or not. For example, I need to check whether the integer 1 is there in t3. So what I can do is 1 in t3. Yeah, it's true. Okay, so or apple in t3. Yeah, it's true. Okay, and like ant in t3. It's not there. That's why it gives the output as false. That's how you can check whether one element is present in a tuple or not. Now, how to access the values in tuple? It is just like the list that we have studied. That means you can use the indexing. The first element is 0, and you can use that type of indexing. For example, t3 0. So it will give the first element apple, or you can give a range 2 to 3, so it will give 1. Okay, so that means 2 0 1, this is 2. Okay, so 2 to 3 means 2 will be included, 3 will not be included. That's why 1 t3. Now you can use negative indexing as well. t3 minus 1 4. Okay, so the last one will be printed. So you can use negative indexing. So indexing is same as list. So whatever you have studied in list, that is applicable in tuple also. You cannot update the values of a tuple. So for example, if you like list, if you do like this one, okay, equal to 5, okay, what happens? So it will return error because you cannot update the tuple. But if you are having a tuple and if you want to update that one, there are some other methods that I will discuss in the next video. And you cannot delete a tuple element also. That is also not possible. Now if you want to find the length, that is also same as Python list. Length of t3, it will give the number of elements in that one. Apart from list, if you want to create an empty list, it is empty tuple. If you want to create an empty tuple, it is easy. You just need to this one. Okay, you have created an empty list. Print that one t4. So type of t4, it will be a tuple. But if you want to create a single item, you need to add the element and a comma. Okay, so t5. A single item, I am going to create a tuple element 1. Okay, you need to provide a comma as well. Okay, otherwise it will not be considered as a tuple. Okay, that is very important. So if you type of t5, and repetition is allowed in tuple. That means you see t6 equal to 4 4 4 4 5 5 6, etc. So two numbers can be repeated. Okay, so it is allowed in tuple. Now we can iterate the items in a list using for loop. Okay, for example, we will take the t3. Okay, we will print t3 that we have just created. Okay, we need to iterate the value. For that we can use for loop for I in or x, for x in t3 print x. Okay, so you can iterate the elements in the loop, or you can use the length or range of the elements in the loop in the tuple. So tuple is one of the 4 built-in data types in Python. Those are list, set and dictionary. List we have seen in the previous videos. So those who have not seen, I have provided the link in the description section. And we have also seen that tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. That is a small difference with list, where list is ordered and changeable. So we have seen how to create a tuple, how to access the tuple, how to find the length, range of tuple, how to iterate through tuple, etc. In the next video, I'll show you, even if the tuple is immutable, how you can change the value. That means if you want to update the values in a tuple, that I'll discuss in the next video. So if you have any comments or suggestions, please write in the comment section. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.